Talk means to have a conversation with someone. Example, I talk to my friend. Speak means to say words aloud. Example, she speaks English. Say means to express words. Example, he says hello. Tell means to give information to someone. Example, I tell a story. Ask means to request information. Example, I ask a question. Answer means to reply to a question. Example, she answers quickly. Explain means to make something clear. Example, the teacher explains the lesson. Describe means to give details about something. Example, he describes his house. Discuss means to talk about something together. Example, we discuss the problem. Argue means to disagree strongly. Example, they argue about money. Agree means to have the same opinion. Example, I agree with you. Disagree means to have a different opinion. Example, we disagree sometimes. Suggest means to give an idea. Example, she suggests a new plan. Recommend means to advise something good. Example, I recommend this book. Advise means to give advice. Example, doctors advise patients. Warn means to tell about danger. Example, he warns us about the storm. Remind means to help someone remember. Example, please remind me tomorrow. Inform means to give information. Example, the school informs parents. Announce means to make something public. Example, they announce the winner. Mention means to talk about something briefly. Example, she mentions your name. Think means to use your mind. Example, I think about my future. Believe means to think something is true. Example, I believe you. Guess means to answer without knowing for sure. Example, I guess the answer.
Imagine means to create pictures in your mind. Example, imagine a big house. Suppose means to think something may be true. Example, I suppose he is busy. Doubt means to feel unsure about something. Example, I doubt his story. Realize means to suddenly understand something. Example, I realize my mistake. Understand means to know the meaning. Example, I understand the question. Forget means to fail to remember. Example, I forget your name. Remember means to keep something in your mind. Example, I remember my teacher. Learn means to gain knowledge. Example, children learn quickly. Study means to spend time learning. Example, I study every night. Teach means to help others learn. Example, she teaches math. Train means to practice skills regularly. Example, athletes train daily. Practice means to do something again and again to improve. Example, I practice speaking English. Improve means to become better. Example, my English improves every day. Solve means to find an answer. Example, he solves the problem. Decide means to make a choice. Example, I decide to stay home. Choose means to select something. Example, she chooses a blue dress. Compare means to look at similarities and differences. Example, we compare prices. Concentrate means to think carefully about something. Example, I concentrate during class. Consider means to think about something carefully. Example, I consider your idea. Plan means to prepare for the future. Example, we plan a vacation. Organize means to arrange properly. Example, she organizes her books. Prepare means to get ready. Example, I prepare breakfast. Review means to look at something again. Example, I review my notes. Check means to examine something carefully. Example, please check your answers. Test means to examine how something works. Example, scientists test new ideas.